Okay, listen to the sound she makes. You hear it? Take your claw out, please. Oh, did you see that? Oh, this cat. Oh my goodness. There you go. That was funny. What you gonna do? Huh? What you gonna do? That's entertainment. Let's see it, please. Let's see it, please. Oh boy, look at this. There's Shiloh Cat. We're watching it rain. Look at this. It's coming down in here. Oh yeah. What's the temp? Looks like it's around 76 out there. It's unusual for this time of year. It's the middle of July. Oh yeah. Look at that. It's just coming down. It's like 2:15 in the afternoon. Yeah. Here's my meow friend, Shiloh. Yeah. Look at that. Let me zoom in. Okay, there we go. Look at that. It's coming down. Okay. Yeah, it's coming down out there. Look at that. Oh, my back hurts. Oh, God. Okay. Well, anyway, I'm not going to stand here a long time and video it because my back hurts majorly bad. I've got to sit down. But I just wanted to show you how hard it's raining. It's coming down out there. Saw it right here on Letseeitplease. Shiloh thought it would be safer to watch from on the floor, I guess. Well, she lost interest. I'm sitting in my chair now. Look how hard it's raining out there.